Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm gonna give you a quick overview of this gigantic of all gigantic water slides, as you see right here. What all it comes with, and how easy to put up, and is it really so slippery and slidey? Yes, it is. So this company that is Happy Aplenty, reached out and said, Ryan, can you do a little unboxing, a little overview of our gigantic water slide? Who am I to say no? But in no way whatsoever would it be provided to me a fictitious review, because I'm just here to keep it real and fun. So what all do you get in the box? This is one just over 7 feet, 7.2 feet wide by an astounding 40 feet water slide. It does come with not one, as you can see here, this inflatable right here, but a two. You get two of these bad boys right here. So you can jump on them and slide. And there's two different sizes. So one side is sort of a glossy, slick side. Then the other side is a little bit more of a matte finish. So when you install these, it also comes with these little pins, these little orange pins. This is an extra one, as well as two patches, two little easy to use patches in case one of the inflatables loses the air. You can blow it up with your mouth. You can blow it up with a hand pump. You can blow it up with electric mini compressor, whatever it takes to inflate these. Very easy to use. They're size-wise, they're about three. The inflatable little things here are, I'd say, almost 2 feet wide by about 3 feet long, so you can kind of gauge the size of person. Now this young human right here is roughly in the 5 foot range from an example standpoint, so you can kind of get an idea of the size capacity who might be sliding on these. Very easy to use. It just unfolds, sort of a thick, let me give you a close. You have a pretty thick, I'd say that's like a rubber plastic material. You can see here we've used soap to make this even extra slick. It does not come with this, so the foaming and all this is just extra, just to add to the fun. You can see it is very durable. Even the animal there, the four-legged animal, is not putting holes in this thing. I wouldn't advise that. It doesn't come with a hose or anything else. You have to provide your own hose. Recommendation though, if you're gonna use this to add to the fun, is to put it on a little bit of a hill, but you can go pretty far without a hill. This is just a slight hill action, but a whole lot of fun, especially when you're trying to enjoy the outdoors. Very easy to use. It collapses and goes back down, and just all in all, very nice quality, massive, literally 7.2 feet by, I mean, this is probably the largest water slide that I've ever seen. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this massive water slide by the company Happy Aplenty, and we'll talk to you soon.